Hello everyone, if you're new to the channel and this is the first plow video you've seen of mine, thank you for tuning in. And just to let you know, there's plenty more like this. I have 4 parts of the day plowing of this blizzard of 2022, and this is part 3 of the night plowing, which will be 1 more. So 8 parts altogether. We had 28 hours of plowing this day, and in these areas that I was plowing, you got anywhere from 15 to 18 inches. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for many other videos like this one and others, including landscape construction like masonry and hardscape installations. So without further ado, let's just get right into this part 3 video of our night plowing session, guys.
I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting down. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day,
Be strong.
Hey guys, we're at this private road that's on my list now. It's a pretty big area. There's 4 houses, I believe, on this street, but it's a private street, so they have to hire a contractor to plow it. And there was a lot of snow. As you can see, this storm was definitely a one for the record books. Winter Storm Keenan dropped some serious snow on us in Massachusetts here. But hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. It was nighttime, so there wasn't as much Benny or my nephew getting out to videotape from outside. But still some good views here, just to show you guys how much snow there is. But this place here is going to take a little while, so I'm probably going to speed up the clip a little bit. But again, if you guys are liking this video, hit that like and subscribe. It goes a long way for the channel. Thanks. Update time. It's 11:32 at night. 12 o'clock is going to be our 18th hour out plowing. Snow has stopped. It stopped a little while ago. About an hour ago, Benny?
Yeah, I'd say so. About an hour ago.
About an hour ago. So from here on out, we're doing our final passes. So hope you guys stay tuned. We still got a lot of plowing to do tonight. It's been a fun ride today. It's been a fun ride. We haven't stayed out this long on a plow storm for a while, just because we haven't gotten this much snow in a while. So anyway, guys, we're gonna be pulling up to another house here. They clean this one up, do our final, and then head on to another one.